Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Hold on.
Doggy.
There you go.
Doggy.
Here's a talk. Definitely black down there. Put the crabs on, guys. They're going for the crabs, not the clam. Where are you? Nope.
Nope.
I got my line too.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Current's ripping it. Yeah. Right away, guys. Right away. Look at this. Oh, missed him.
Yeah,
Sit down there.
using a jig.
Crab. Yeah, I have a jig with a crab, but the jig's too light. Let's get some twist. There we go.
Wow, get it bigger.
A lot of current.
I know it's hard to tell with the big rod.
I like to use this different rod for blackfish because you want to get on them before they get away from you. You know, once you're in the rocks,
yeah, definitely.
Fucking scandalous.
Get a
Huh?
blackfish.
Blackfish.
Keeper?
No.
Nah. Fish on.
There's a lot of life here, a lot of fish. Here's what the problem is. These two twisted right here, so I can get these two untwisted.
Short.
Fish over there in the back. Another short. Out. Out twice. Take this out. Right out the middle. Yes. Take that one.
Fish on.
Another one. Alright, wraps on again. Slamming it. Babies though, all small.
Yeah.
So cut that right in half. Good to go.
And good fighters.
No, there's a lot of current, so they're definitely fighting good.
Good fighter right here.
Another one.
Oh,
They're down there.
now they're getting bigger.
That's a keeper, maybe. Measure that. Camera. Measure that guy. He might make it, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some keepers out here. A lot of them.
Yeah, they're getting bigger. I'm good with 3 so far. Fish on. Good one. But oh my god. Oh shit. Full in drag.
Oh, he's got muscles.
Oh shit.
Got a moose up.
Hopefully it's a keeper. Hopefully. I don't know.
I'm coming.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go. There's a keeper.
First keeper in the boat. All right.
Good one.
So, buddy, got one.
Yeah, it's
Nice. What is he? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sitting pretty, sitting pretty.
But she's wishing he had a strong boat.
There you go. Keeper here.
Oh, nice one, John. Not a keeper.
At least it's fishable over here. Another ship. This is doable. It's still a little bumpy, but not bad.
no, I'll take this all day long.
Going?
Yeah.
Alright. 15 incher. Nice.
Alright, that's my limit. know, you get the power something to get up. Really? This rod out of the way. This one. Take one this side. You put this rod here.
Yeah, I'll hold them.
No, you fake fish.
Look at that. Nice one.
What a beautiful. Walk this way. You have to go on. Here, go this way.
Okay.
Go back. It's just beautiful. Go back. I can't reach it.
Keeper. Woo! Belly and the hook.
Beauty.
Congratulations. Oh, Joey's gonna make you too.
Woohoo!
Perfect. Thanks, Cap.
Nice one, bud.
Let's go.
Just fight this. He's out. There he's out. You got him.
Just wait him out.
Nice.
Nice one. Wow, nice chunky one.
Yeah, but not nice enough. All right. I woke him up.
That's it. They're very subtle. There you go. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Fully interact. Good one. Oh, fully interact. They fight good. They have a good fighting though, but no crap.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's still.
What's it?
Nice one. That's a keeper. Is that a keeper? Dude, that's a keeper right there.
Dude, that's a keeper.
No, you
Yeah.
cast it too far.
Yeah.
You guys are all up?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.